How to change default email app on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for apps. Tap on apps and then you will see the option for default apps there on top of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on the email option in the list of features and then tap on email. Now, select the email app that you want as default, and with this, your default email app will be changed. So, this is how you can change default email app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.